There's the low beams, there's the high beams, and there's the floodlight. Right here. Jeez, we got an armadillo right there. All right, here we are, late August 2022. It's dark, although stars are out, and I'm going to test the not only the new Polaris like super LED headlights on the new Ultimate Edition, but also the new rigid 12-inch light bar that I recently had installed. And needless to say, it's dark out right now. Let's see how these lights are going to do.
Disarm system now.
Alright, thanks to my buddy Felipe, I've got the electric buggy charging because it was too dead for the charger to work, so it's hopefully we'll get it up and running. But now we're going to take the Polaris out. So I suspect that our die-hard viewers and our Polaris guys and gals will notice I took these 30-inch BF Goodrich KM3s off. Long story, I decided to go back to stock. By the way, I'm selling this set. I mean, virtually brand new, just a couple test rides in them. But you can look us up at our Capper Outdoors Facebook site or website and contact me if you might be interested in them bead locks. I mean, they price out for like $2,700 right now, and I'm asking like $19 or $19.50. Just FYI. Test the stock Ultimate headlights, which are a step above the premium headlights, and we'll see how it's going to go. I mean, they're supposed to be like another level of LED brightness. So let's check it out. Oh, and I'm going to test out the new. So I think in the video I might have said it's a 12-inch light bar, but I believe it's the 10-inch. It's made by Rigid, which is actually made by Polaris, and that's why I bought it. They had a 12-inch in stock, but this Rigid 10-inch had over 1,000 more lumens than that 12-inch bar, and so that's why I went ahead and ponied up for. I mean, it's more expensive, as you're going to see here by some pricing, but I do believe it's much more durable. So let's get out in the field and see how bright it is. Oh, it looks dark out there. Very, very dark. Let's try the headlights on level number 1. High gear. Let me set up this camera in one spot, and we'll get a better idea how it looks. So these new high-end LEDs on the Ultimate are supposed to be brighter. So let's kick in the high beams. So there's the high beams. So let's kick in the high beams. There's the high beams. Wow, I mean, it looks pretty good. Alright, so I definitely noticed that the new higher LED headlights do work better than at least for our 2019. So now let's try out this 10-inch Rigid and see how that goes. Oh, and we're gonna find a surprise critter here any minute. Rigid light bar, which I think is, oh, there it is. Oh, nice. Oh, that's definitely brighter. No complaints there with that 12-inch LED. Looks beautiful. Let me click it on. Oh, what's this critter right here? Jeez, we got an armadillo right there. Are you serious, dude? You're like invasive. Come on now, man, get out of there. Jeepers. Alright, where were we? Turning off. So here's the high beam headlights. just got a new respect for that LED light. Here's the low beams. Oh, there's the high beam headlights, but now let's go back to the new LED rigid. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. I love the new light bar. Well worth it. And especially when you're getting older, I mean, you can't have too much light when it's nighttime. That's just all there is to it. So a good investment for the light bar. I like it. Looking good. Alright, I'm going to find a spot to turn around here. Look at oh, there's a critter. Oh, that's a raccoon. Let's see what else we could find with the new light bar. Yeah, I dig it. It's really nice. I'm going to a Honda trail riding event in Montana soon. I don't think anyone's going over that. Looks like we got some ruts. Starting to get into the mountains, and we still got 3 hours to go yet. I need to get out for some more trail riding. Can't have too much light. Give you one more look at the headlights. Turn that off. So here is there's the low beams. There's the high beams. And there's the floodlight. I like it. Definitely worth it. Alright, I'll catch you on the next video. I'll see if I can find another Armadillo, but whatevs, it's a good investment. If you can get an LED light bar, it's definitely worth the time and the money if you're going to ride at nighttime, as you can see. Alright, stay tuned. Welcome to Capper Outdoors, and welcome to any of our new viewers. Today's going to be a really great episode. It's going to be a lot of fun and a lot of fresh air. So recently I went on a invite ride by Honda, and this is going to be a mini series, and during the video you'll see why. But today's episode is episode